What does this date mean to you? That's what it means to most people. Hi, I'm Jim Leonick. I'm an attorney in Commack, Long Island, and I have a practice that involves personal injury work for plaintiffs, real estate work, and estate planning. All of those areas have tax implications. I'm not an accountant. I don't profess to be one, and anything that you hear in this recording, you should double check with an accountant if it applies to you. But just some general things that I get asked on a regular basis that are frequently asked questions. So personal injury settlements and awards, verdicts, the money that comes from that, is that taxable to the client? Well, generally it is not. But with any other legal precept or rule, there are exceptions. So if you get an award, whether it's by arbitration or a verdict, and there are lost wages involved, well, that portion would be taxable. But a settlement in a personal injury case for personal injury compensation is not taxable. My fee is taxable. Why? Because it's income. The other areas, real estate, a lot of people ask, if I sell a piece of real estate or a co-op, do I have to pay capital gains tax? So if you buy something low and you sell high, which is everybody's goal, that profit in between those two numbers, do you have to pay tax? Well, there's an exemption amount of $250,000 for a single person or $500,000 for a couple if it has been your primary residence for 2 out of the last 5 years. The exception here is if you use part of the premises for a business or you rented it out to others, then you may have depreciated it for tax purposes. There may be a tax implication there, even if the exemption amount applies and cuts out any of the profit you would have made. The other area, estates, many people ask if they're a beneficiary of an estate, meaning they got something from someone's estate. Do they have to pay tax on that? Generally, no. The exception there, well, if there's no cash available in an estate and there are assets that have to be liquidated, you could have to put your pro rata share in to pay taxes. So again, I'm not an accountant, I'm not providing tax advice, but these are some of the issues we deal with on a regular basis, and it affects every area of our practice, and these frequently asked questions come up all the time. This is just a few of them, and if you have questions, please call us. We'd be happy to help.